Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to click on themes and tap on more over here. Then tap on the loop and type whatever you want to, for example city. Now you need to pick one of these themes, for example that one, click on it and tap on the green button over here. After that, select Apply and wait. Now when I click Home button, I can see the theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go into the same settings, choose themes, this time click on My Themes over here and tap on one of the defaults. Then tap Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!